Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your communication skills with Voxy, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by identifying your current communication strengths and weaknesses. Next, sign up for a free trial of Voxy to explore its features. Once registered, take a placement test to evaluate your current level. After receiving your assessment, review your results to understand your skill gaps. Navigate to the Voxy course catalog and select courses that align with your needs. Focus on courses that emphasize verbal and written communication. Engage in interactive lessons that encourage practice and repetition. Incorporate real-life scenarios to enhance your learning experience. Regularly participate in live sessions with experienced instructors. Record your speaking exercises for self-evaluation and improvement. Utilize the personalized feedback provided by Voxy's tutors. Practice consistently by setting aside dedicated time for your lessons. Expand your vocabulary through targeted exercises and reading materials. Engage with the Voxy community by joining discussion forums or study groups. Monitor your progress through the Voxy dashboard to stay motivated. Celebrate small achievements to maintain enthusiasm in your learning journey. Stay committed to regular practice to ensure continual improvement. Remember, effective communication is a skill that requires ongoing effort and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.